Benefits of freelance writing. Freelance writing has become an increasingly popular career choice for individuals seeking flexible work arrangements and the ability to work from the comfort of their own homes. With the rise of the gig economy and the demand for high-quality content, mastering the art of freelance writing can lead to lucrative job opportunities. One of the key benefits of freelance writing is the ability to have control over your own schedule and work environment. Working from home allows writers to set their own hours, giving them the freedom to work at their most productive times. This flexibility is particularly appealing to individuals who have other commitments, such as childcare or caring for elderly family members. Freelance writing also eliminates the need for commuting, saving writers time and money. Another advantage of freelance writing is the potential for earning a significant income. While freelance rates can vary widely, skilled writers who can produce high-quality content are in high demand. Many companies and individuals are willing to pay top dollar for well-written articles, blog posts, and website content. Additionally, freelance writers have the opportunity to work with multiple clients simultaneously, further increasing their earning potential. To master the art of freelance writing, it is important to develop strong writing skills. This includes having a solid grasp of grammar, punctuation, and sentence structure. Writers should also be able to adapt their writing style to meet the needs of different clients and target audiences. Additionally, staying up to date with current trends and industry news is essential for producing relevant and engaging content. While having strong writing skills is important, it is equally important for freelance writers to have good research skills. Many assignments will require writers to conduct thorough research on a variety of topics. This may involve reading books, articles, and online sources, as well as conducting interviews with subject matter experts. Being able to effectively gather and synthesize information is crucial for producing accurate and well-rounded content. In addition to honing writing and research skills, freelance writers must also have strong time management and organizational skills. With multiple clients and deadlines to juggle, it is important to stay organized and meet deadlines consistently. This may involve creating a schedule, setting aside dedicated time for writing, and using productivity tools to track progress and manage tasks. Networking and marketing skills are also important for freelance writers. Building relationships with clients and other writers can lead to new job opportunities and collaborations. It is important to attend industry events, join professional organizations, and participate in online communities to expand your network. Additionally, having a strong online presence through a professional website or portfolio can help attract potential clients. In conclusion, mastering the art of freelance writing can lead to lucrative job opportunities from the comfort of your own home. With the flexibility to set your own schedule, the potential for high earning, and the ability to work with multiple clients, freelance writing offers a rewarding career path. By developing strong writing, research, time management, and networking skills, aspiring freelance writers can position themselves for success in this growing industry.